Hi, Carol. Aroma. Have you seen Aroma Temple? Sulumbana. Aroma. Walk on the vibe. Aroma. Have seen my God? Majidai. Asembo CBC. Aroma. Ends of the vibe. Dr. Trophy. Shut up. I see Mulbi. Moving dragons. Pretty. Thank you so much. Avezinane. Berisha Lord. Lord Berry. Lord Berry. I wanna sing to Little Berry. I wanna jump to Little Berry. How I am Little Berry. Mama Little Berry. Jeff Little Berry. I Little Berry. I Little Berry. Well, yeah. Beautiful Little Berry. Have you seen Seba? Diana dance. You wanna see Little Berry. If you wanna touch Little Berry, it's not your Little Berry. I beautiful Little Berry mama, can you dance? Little mama, Little Berry. Oh Berry, oh Lord, oh Berry, oh Lord, oh Berry. Ancestor, I wanna hear you, my baby. money, shake your body. Lord the very beauty, Lord the very beauty, Lord the very beauty. Gracious, she's more beautiful without makeup. Lord the very more beautiful without makeup, without makeup. I love you, the one Lord, the only one Lord I know. I love you very, dance love you very, thank you Lord very, carry on, wakiteka, as I'm using the Lord very, I nothing no better, nothing no better. I'm a sinner. I wish I see your mother, Lord Berry. I wish I see your mother. Ooh-wee. I wish I see your mother. Ashley, I wish I see your mother. Have you seen the coast of the Bodona? Bodona, see Lord Berry. Short nas Berry. Bodona dance to Lord Berry. Ayo, Lord Berry. Lord Berry. I'm fine, Bodona. Beautiful Lord, beautiful Lord. Like a mother, like a daughter, Lord Mary, like a daughter. Bodona, Yao darling, original, original. Yangunya, Lemakara, she has a dimple, very. She has a dimple, very shy. I am very shy, very shy. I am very shy. Lord Berisha, warrior, do beast, do beast, do beast pretty, do beast wololo, do beast, do beast organizo. Aye, danka. Have you seen Bodona? You be mama. Hello, everyone who is watching my Smaka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time. Bodona, how are you doing? I've been sick. Even my voice is not coming out the way it is. Where it should be. But I'm really appreciating, guys. Thank you so much, Smaka Mugenda. I see Bodona also in the Viber. There's a lot of people against Allah. Greeting from Germany. August Alan. Hi, my brother. I'm really happy to see you, Bundiman. Bundiman also watching. Lord Berisha, thank you so much. May God bless you. I see Epic Adventure. How are you doing? If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, guys. There's a super chat. You can donate in super chat, please. Yeah. Carol. August Allah. August. Epico. Epic adventure. Viva. Ladila. I see it on the line. Vivo, yeah. Vivo, yeah. Vivo, yeah. Vivo, yeah. Give me up. I've seen Imani. Imani, yeah. Imali. I wanna see Imali dance on nyatiti. Trip on the vibe. Shower yourself the vibe. Hips on the high. Imali. Dancing Imali. Aye. Dancing Imali. Happy Sunday. I've seen that before. Deep. I'm jumping deep. Thank you so much, deep. I deep. Himalaya. Welcome in the vibe. Welcome in the vibe. Deep. Welcome in the vibe. I've seen my God. I come up with a nyatiti. There are melody. I come up with a nyatiti. Deep. I've seen my deep. I've seen my guy. And I'm a jaguar. Simple boy. Deep. Imali, I wanna say Imali. People, people, there are melody. It's a traditional vibe. People, Imali can dance. People, Abo Lima. I wanna dimbo. Divo. Come along, Divo. Is it now? La Modice. Allo la Modice. Razzo de va. Rap melody. They wanna see deep, amazing space on the bar. They wanna see deep, deep. Deep on the bar. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Makam Muganda, playing traditional instrument. Vivo. You can donate something in my super chat, guys. For those who are watching on YouTube, if you like the vibe, yeah, subscribe. My name is Makam Muganda, playing traditional instrument. This instrument I'm playing, guys. For those who are watching, it's called nyatiti. It is a Luo traditional instrument, one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. Yeah, I'm now giving a live stream in Diani. I'm in Diani, Kenya, guys. Diani. Mr. Photo Survivor. Let me take water now. Rabel. Yes, I make it. Guys, for those who are watching on YouTube, please, if you have something small, you can donate in my super chat. And And also there's a PayPal, guys. Men's Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument, guys. Keep on watching. Divo. There, John. Obaraba. Ayo baraba. There, John on the vibe. Obarabo, Christ best living on the vine. Ratego, I want to sing to the Baba. Christ best living, the Baba. Toby, have you seen the telltale Job Thomas of the Vine? Where did you get that song from? Amana young into my coffee. Coffee meal. Lovely on the vine. Coffee meal. Oh, but oh, but oh, but for those watching on YouTube, just 1 second. I want to recharge my bundles. Just 1 second, please. Shino Dios on the vibe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's beautiful. Momo. Yeah. I see friend from Sri Lanka. Song lonely. Hi, how are you? If you like the vibe, I use how are you? Username on the vibe. Kuwait. I see people from Kuwait on the vibe. I mine. Let me call Lamadosi. Kaluko Lamadosi. Lamadosi want you to dance. And you I see Mother of Africa. Mother of Africa also watching on YouTube. Yeah. Loreno Sadava. Sizzla Moon. You know when you jump on Genocide. No Kari. Bamba. Pambea. Ayo Pambea. Hello Pambea. Aye Pambea. Umulungo Pambea. I wanna sing to Pambea. Boom Suman, good morning. It's this side morning. I don't know that side. Magreta. Hello Pambea. Hello Pambea. Have you seen Pambea? Can you dance Pambea? Anichwangi madio kola magao minisel. Ayo. This side is 7:40. 9. When you go Musio Kioso de Vai Alemba. Hello Alemba. Ima virol ima tungaluni ima. Have you seen you then somebody call nyatiti chanlade baba mchenga ntima vera uchibo utieso awayo chengo utieso umsuma ay ojian. Voice is still not good. Shaila's on the farm. Mega, how are you? I see Satan so how you make me watching from Mega. Vigori talonari ateo. Makia Imali Ulolo kenu majawe kenu majawe Umlongala Imali Ulolo Imali Landa on the vibe. Imali. Sandra. Manduaneni. Imali. Ayu Imali. Make conmigo. Tano tindo udade. Have you seen my guy, Sandra Jackson? Morning, Sandra. Kumara. Hey. You wear a Mimo. Wear a have you seen it, Mimo? Wear a Megia. Asal Junior Soleva Coach. Leila. Dawada Ugenya see Mariam. Ayo beautiful Mariam. Vivo, vivo. Olum also in the vibe. I see Barba. We are. Let me take you to Barba Sinelia, where you watching from? Milk on my tongue. I need you. Shalom, have you seen Brownie? Janela. Absolutely. Lunya. Baba. Guys, if you're dancing in YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, please. And also, there's a super chat, guys, for those who are watching on YouTube now. Gilo, you can subscribe and also you can tip if you're willing, please. There's a you can donate in super chat. Reko, Agario, hello, Reko, hello, Reko, are you dancing Reko? Jasper, I'm from Kenya. Hungarian. Have you seen Hungarian? You'll survive. Nobody. One day you will be somebody. Don't worry. What? Rego banga, Rego. I see nobody. I see emotes on the vibe. Emotes on the vibe. Thank you so much, Mr. Nobody. Shop. Shop. Ha ha ha. Hey. Nobody where you now. Nobody where you now. Can't you stand up on a zip? Nobody where. Sheba! Oh, nyatiti. Then so many called nyatiti. So by the time you're dancing, don't forget the instrument name. Yeah, akum. YouTube. Matthew on the bar. Refine. Hello. I see, guys. Thank you so much for those who are watching. If you're watching and you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, it's just a simple request, guys. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Mark. I'm playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. It is a Luo traditional instrument, guys, from western part of Kenya. Kimbali, hi. Yeah. So subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka. Maka is M-A-K-A space Uganda. That's jamming, my guy. My jamming with nyatiti. Jamming. I see Imali. Imali was on the vibe. Boom, someone is watching now. How much does this nyatiti cost? So where are you watching from first? Where are you watching from? So that I can give you in dollar or in shillings. because I sell them. So where are you watching from? So where are you watching from? That it is 20,000 Kenyan shillings. Jesus Melania. I see Rumbaus on the Vice Soul Provider. Man of the Vice. Have seen no match? And now you are going no longer here. Mother Homer is a bad timer. And now you are going. Show me. Africa, Engineer Isako, Owen Kashoti, Ole, have you seen Saka? Mingala. Loca Italian. Mr. Didi. Equash. Loca. Koloni. Imanili. Ayo. Slando. The best, good morning. Ayo, Mr. Didi. Welcome Didi. Capital D. No small D. King Abuya. Yeah. I see a good friend. Yeah, Jimon. Omwami. Say hi to Mwami. Thank you so much, Mr. D. Capital D, small D, deal do dollar. Lola Kai, Capital D. Yeah, have you seen Lola? Lola baby. Ooh, Alama Vituma, Yeah. I listen Lola. Happy to leave Sike. Why you? I'm a river. Yes, Nico Congo. Avisi Lola 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 Domara Odigo Mara Capitoli Binno Lola I don't lie Capitoli. You're welcome, my brother. My Lola, I you to Lola, don't Lola me Lola, number one Lola boutique LLC. Lola, ha ha, beautiful Lola, Lola fashion here. Go to Lola. I'm all about God something. Go to Lola. Lola, 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 Lola. Ayo, Edu, how are you? Peter House on the line. Nyarama. Engineer Jabedo. Genda denga ni Lola. Genda let me sing to Lola. Otoyo manganga. Genda sing to Lola. Aye Lola. Genda loga Lola. Yeah. Maka sing to Lola. Otoyo manganga bende bende. Yeah, yeah. Ah, Lola, and me, Lola. 1 minute left. Okay, thank you so much. Keep on watching Wise Maka Muganda playing traditional instruments. Name of the instrument is called nyatiti for those who are watching. Hello, brother. Going well, music soul. Har Jolea, also on the vibe. Har Jolea, thank you so much. Where are we watching from? Har Jolea. Nyaramba, where are you? Har Jolea, also the vibe. Let me sing to Nyaramba. Mulungo na Nyaramba. Ayo, mulungo na Nyaramba. Aljole, avizi nyaramba. Emi go nyaramba. Imani wala si nyaramba, mama. Lola fashion, avizi nyaramba. Nyatu do beru nyara, mala mama, bibi, kalungo tu nyara. Yeah, makai, oh money. Yeah, makai. Oh my God, the order. Oh my time, Lola. My time. I didn't my time. I didn't get my time. To sing to Yaramba. Before the music, Yaramba. Oh, we know. Yaramba Mwalu, Yaramba Mwalu, Yaramba Mwalu. Yaramba is a lady. Yarambo Juliore. Señorita Yaramba, Altungiga, señorita ya. Before can you dance before you have you seen Lola? Nagoya disini Yaramba. Have you seen Yaramba? Beautiful Yaramba. She's a little lady. Whoa. Lola, yeah. Let me tell you, before my brother, let me tell you something about Yaramba. Yaramba was not created, Yaramba was not born. Yaramba was created. Lola was created. Lola Kai was created. Yaramba was created. Yamari was created. She was created on Monday because she's Jalu, my Jalu. What you got Jalu? So you okay, my Jalu? Mama, I've seen Yaramba. Tampanya Yaramba. Lola, the photos on the vine. Ayova Shamiru Lela Ama Yarama mama when she's fine. Let me tell Shelima Odagdati Bamba Aye Odagdati Ma Shelima Yaramba Lipindagi Hey Aye Broken Baja I shall live Olona iri moko Yaramba mama she live in Turkey for green pasture. Ayo, hello, independent lady Yaramba, independent boss lady Yaramba. Really like a new da, Shelly, Yaramba, mama. all I do and any. Nyatiti to the bar. Ayo, ayo, Shelly May, ayo, Nkosie, ayo, can you say what? Anujo, Bango, Anujo, Bijuoki, Yaramba lungo nyinge mama. Ayo, Gundumba Yaramba. Walagare. Say something now. Shelly, hi. Nice marker, guys. Thanks so much. Keep on watching. I really appreciate it this morning. Guys, if you like the vibe, also you can subscribe on YouTube. And also there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat or PayPal or M-Pesa if you want to kill me now. If you want to surprise me, Omera, M-Pesa is there. And also there's a PayPal. There's a Panio. I remain with around 15 minutes, guys. You know, I have to leave to church now. Today is Sunday, you know. Sunday, you know. Some people, when I tell them that I go to church, they say, no, Maka, you are joking. How? They don't see me like a Christian. I don't know why. Kenyan, you're now on the vibe. Thank you so much, Yaramba. Thank you so much, Lala. Imani, thank you so much. God bless too. Wonder why nobody no like me. Wonder why nobody no like me. Yeah, wonder why nobody no like me. Agia. Oh, it's the fact that I'm so angry. Wonder why nobody no like me. Imagine. Perry, retire. Wonder why nobody loves me. Irish on the vibe. Oh, is the fact that I'm so angry. Leave my whole house on home. My children don't want me no more. When I drop this and sing Baba Luka Boo Boo, they shop them mother tell them shut your mouth, that is your daddy. Oh Lord, my daddy cannot hear me so. Shut your mouth, go away. Mama Luka Boo Boo Daddy, Agyo Mama Luka Boo Boo Daddy. I sip lega. Mama Luka Boo Boo Daddy. Mama Luka Boo Boo Daddy. I hear your mama. Mama Luka Boo Boo Daddy. Wonder why nobody love me. No. Disco Rebecca on the vibe. Wonder why nobody like me. Oh, is the fact that I'm so happy. Maziba, wonder why nobody like me. Leave my whole house on Ogwal Ericos on the vibe. Eric House on the vibe. Erika, Aguisel. Have you seen my guy Ogwal Eric? We're watching from Ogwal water. Danisa. Yoshi Jaber. Hello Jaber. I was Rosie. Hi Rosie. Loanos on the vibe. Hi Rosie. Oh, while you're from Uganda. Ugambaji. Burunji, Burunji. Ugambaji. Yeah. Burunji. Burunji Sebu. I'm a Wodobi. Rostos. I'm a Wodobi. Have you seen Rosie? Spiritually rooted. Hey. Hey. Long time, my guy. Long time not see you. How are you? How are you spiritually rooted? Hey. I'm from Kenya, guys. I'm from Kenya. Nasib Isaac, the banger. Simeon Abdube, Ogola wa Kibera, Tonangomera. Ogola Ornage Mobana, Kondani MCA to be MCA Bana, Golage Mobana, Labiro Boni Kurabana. Golage Mobana, Orage Mra Chambana, Kazi Jema bro, Bano Gola, with Nagimro Kanyabana, Rokamano, with Nagimro Kanyabana. Ogola na were na dogola. Ogola jadalawa. Please play for me Yapati Pata. Yapati Pata is what? Which one is that? Ogola. Zion te vai. Ogola con la che mo bana. Ogola con la che mo kaya. Ya tumo kwa mwana sadaka. Ayo. Lozimaya. I'm almost leaving. You know I want to go to say. Carolia. Ayo. Esto se va. Yo. Ay. No gonna baba. Ay. Trinity New Entertainment, authentic. Luzimaya. Luzimaya, nene muda amaya. Luzimaya, nene muda amaya. Come here, Hatha Yoga. They wanna see you go larate. They wanna see you go larate. Watch me. Some people wanna see you go bye. I see Yoshi. Yoshi. Ah. Ni hata yoga. Ni hata yoga. Ah, hata yoga. Ni hata yoga. Ni yoga. Hata yoga. Can you go me? Can you heal me? Can you heal me? Hata can you heal me? Hata heal me. Policina! Hey, a long time of it. Ah, got a binge on the technique. Junior. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Magamuganda. Lucy Maya, you have to text me. Text me on WhatsApp, Lucy Maya. My time is now gone. I have to leave. Lucy Maya, you know, I did not tell you, Lucy Maya. I lost my aunt. My aunt died. Yeah, so now we are working. Today we will take. Tomorrow morning we will be taking body from the mortuary back to where I stay in Fiaya Alego. It's around 1,000 kilometer. Yeah, around there. 1,000 plus kilometer. Yeah, so that's all. Lucy Maya. That's the message to Lucy Maya. So I've been working bonfire. So if you want to know more, Lucy Maya, La Modise, please text me. Yeah, so for now we are going for the donation. I have to go there very, very fast as I can now. So that I have to go. You know where to text. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice time. I have to leave now. Time is Time is not on my side. I have to go to church for that. Have a nice time, guys. My name is Magamuganda. If you like the vibe, subscribe also. You can. Lucy Maya text me on WhatsApp. I lost my phone and I restart and didn't see your phone number. Please text me. Simple thing. Yeah, that's the main reason why I told you to text me. Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. My name is Maka. Jaber, shall I, Niaji. Sorry about and take care. Text you, so sure. Muganga Karima, Muganga.